What's up, Code Warriors? It is 2024 and the tech job market is tougher than trying to center a div with CSS. But fear not. I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs that will have you employed faster than you can say npm install career. Let's get into it. Number one, skill up or ship out. First thing first, if your tech stack is older than your iPhone, might be time for an upgrade. So here's my advice when it comes to learning some of these programming languages. Pick one and get really, really good with it and build projects with it. Get good enough to the point where you don't need to ask ChatGPT how to do things all the time. Maybe you're asking GitHub Copilot. That's okay. Number two, GitHub is now your new social media. So forget Instagram, forget TikTok. Your GitHub profile is now your new highlight reel. Make it greener than a vegan's groceries list. Pro tip. Contribute to open source projects. It's kind of like CrossFit for developers. You never shut up about it, but it works. Number three, network like your Wi-Fi depends on it. LinkedIn is now your new Tinder. Swipe right on every recruiter. Attend meetups, hackathons, tech conferences. Anytime a recruiter is sending you a DM, reply, acknowledge it. Hey, what's up? Thank you for messaging me. Remember, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Or better yet, who owes you a favor. Number four, the interview. Flex your brain muscles. Leak code, algo expert, system design. These are going to be your new gem. Pump those algorithm muscles until you can reverse a binary tree in your sleep. When they ask where you see yourself in 5 years, the correct answer is doing your job, but better. Number five, soft skills, but don't be a robot unless you're applying to Boston Dynamics. Now, communication is always going to be key. You have to be able to explain tech to your grandma. If she gets it, you're hired. Teamwork. Prove that you can work with humans and not just Stack Overflow. And three, adaptability. Show them you're more flexible than maybe your yoga instructor. And remember, in the world of tech jobs, it's survival of the fittest, or at least the most caffeinated. Now go out there and make Silicon Valley their playground. Tech out.